Got a hot little number right here, 1967 Camaro with the Rally Sport Super Sport. It's got a crate 350, 385 horsepower motor, a 5-speed trans, gauges, air conditioning, custom seat, fold down back seat, custom suspension, big bear brakes. I acquired this from the gentleman. It's been in his family for 45 years. His dad bought this car in 1977. His dad passed away, unfortunately, and the car got parked for many, many years. So this gentleman had the car completely restored. He added some nice upgrades, made it the way he wanted it. And then he even joked that if his dad knew what he spent on this car, his dad would have a second heart attack. So it's done really nice. This is a really good one, folks, one of the exceptional cars. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information, take your time and look at over 100 pictures. That's where you'll find the price tag along with finance option on every car we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. First of all, underneath, I make the comment dry as a chalkboard. That means the metal under there is just dry, all the seams, the factory pinch welds, really nice, dry, clean metal under this car. The front end steering and suspension completely rebuilt, has lowering springs and shocks, probably gas shocks. It has a Hotchkiss sway bar. In back, it has lowering leaf springs, all new bushings, lowering blocks. Great sounding exhaust. You'll hear it towards the end. It has the dual exhaust that goes into a sideways mounted transverse muffler. That's the way the Camaros came, and it sounds amazing. The brakes, they're big brake kit, 4-wheel disc at each wheel, big slotted rotors, bare calipers, the e-brake assembly, all the brake lines, all that's been redone. Fuel system's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's real nice and clean. It has a high torque starter. It's a Tremec 5-speed transmission was put in there, so all the related components, clutch and all that were replaced as well. Looks like a rebuilt drive shaft. Has a posi rear end in the back. So underneath this car, every component's been rebuilt or replaced, and it's rust-free metal, so you couldn't ask for much more under the car. Now let's check out the body. SS raised hood is all looking nice, all lines up real good, no dents, no damage. It's all straight, square. You know, the Rally Sport, that's the hidden headlights. Straight, no damage. It's a little something if you look for it, kind of under the paint right here. Barely even feel it. So barely worth mentioning, but I thought I should. Mild dent, something, a wrench or something dropped on it, just left a really minor little dimple right there. Anyway, clean metal, doors, this lines up nice, lines up real nice, very straight, shuts beautifully. The roof is in excellent shape, all real good. A little bit of cracking in the paint right here is a little spot of mild cracking. The body's looking really nice all the way to the bottom, no rust or bubbles. Got a rear spoiler. This is straight. Same thing on this side, just start a couple little cracks right there. Oh, and right here is a little bit of cracking. So on each side, just in the paint. Right down to the bottom, all smooth and glossy. Shuts real nice. No rust, no bubbles, no damage. The body's looking to be in really nice shape. Pointed out a couple minor paint flaws, but the red is slick. Anyone that walks up on this car, it's wow. It's polished, smooth, and glossy. Has the nose stripe. So the bumper's been replaced. The grille, all this looks to be in real nice shape. They're electric headlight doors. They work really well. If they have the key on, then they'll close. We'll do that in a second. The wheels, they are Budnick wheels, and they are BFG G-Force tires. They are looking for the size. They're 17-inch, nice sharp-looking wheels. Emblems are sparkling. The windshield, really nice and clear, has a couple little surface specks on it. Looks like the moldings were replaced. Couple pitting on the chrome pillar right here. Door handles were replaced, window fuzzies were replaced, rain gutters were replaced. They must have just barely scraped something. Matter of fact, the mark is still there on this piece of trim right here. Rear window's crystal clear, that's been replaced. Looks like they put the antenna up here in the glass. There's no antenna in the car. Rally Sport, so the reverse lights are moved down here, and all this has been replaced. Gas cap, tail lights. So that's the outside of the car, pretty sharp looking, huh? Let's open it up. It's got a lot of neat stuff to show you inside. All right, trunk compartment. Glossy paint on the trunk lid. The jamb looks real nice. Weather strip is replaced. All solid trunk compartment. It's been spatter painted. They threw a new mat in there. So this looks nice. Door jambs are nice. Weather strips were replaced. Door panels, that's a deluxe door panel. It's all molded. It has the round speakers custom put in. New dash pad. The knobs look new. Aftermarket AC was installed. But this instrument panel looks really nice. The heater control panel is really nice, easy to move because they're probably electric slides now instead of cables. Modern stereo. This is all real clean. Kick panel's real nice. So it has the factory gauge cluster. The clock is working. It has the correct type shifter. The console looks new. Nice leather wrapped wheel on a tilt column. And I should have mentioned it has the factory tachometer in the dash. Now you put these sport seats in here. They're real nice, hold you in place. They're comfy and they're all wrapped in leather. The back seat, let me flip this up. The back seat has this factory fold down option. So it's a deluxe interior car. It has the deluxe upholstery and door panels and everything's redone. You got seat belts. In back, you got 6x9 speakers and all the trim's real nice. The headliner, dome lights, visors, all that's redone. The mirror is redone. So the steering wheel and the seats were upgraded as well as the stereo. And these seats are comfy. Make a desk chair out of one of these. It has some racing lap belts for the front people. So he told me it's a crate motor from GM. It's a 350 making 385 horsepower. It has the GM Performance aluminum heads, GM bow tie intake, the dual feed Holley carburetor, HEI ignition in the back, set of long tube coated headers, upgraded heat and AC system. All the metal surfaces are nice. There's a shroud, the right fan, has working horns, looks like a new wiring harness. The alternator looks new. It's got power steering, got power brakes, got hood insulation. So everything looks proper, clean, orderly. Sounds real good. This car feels good. The seat's very comfy. The clutch is easy. I can shift it with 2 fingers. Yeah, this car feels nice. I forgot to demonstrate the headlights, but they do work. So there you have it. Again, folks, I think this is a nice car. You're going to be able to get in, turn the key, drive it, enjoy it, get in, turn the key a few days later, and drive it, enjoy it again. It just seems like that type of car. It just feels right. It looks great. It feels right, too. So go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.